Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel once and again. I'm Lokhinder Das. I'm a teacher, a mentor, an inspirator as well as a motivator. Friends, today I'm going to upload a new video for those particular people who have been coping with a particular problem. The problem is inferiority complex, or you can say insecurity complex. Sometimes in our personal and professional life we become a poor victim of this particular problem, and we don't know how to get out of this problem, and we don't know what are the reasons behind this problem. So today I am going to deal with this problem in toto, as I am also a poor victim of this problem. I have been coping with this problem for a pretty long time. I'm also not being able to get out of this problem. I'm not being able to understand the reasons behind this problem. After exploring a lot, now I have come to a conclusion that there are some certain reasons, certain negative influences and impacts of our family members and neighboring people. Those negative impacts are solely responsible for this particular problem. So many negativities have been infused and installed into our brain. That is why we have been coping with this problem. We are not being able to identify the educated people, decent people. We cannot behave properly with the decent educated people. There are some negativities into our mind which compels us to misbehave others. So everything will be dealt with. Before that, I would like to utter a very well-known proverb: never judge a book by its cover. Sometimes, in spite of having profound knowledge, we are misjudged and ridiculed, and become a butt of ridicule in every sphere of life due to financial instability or anything else. We are misjudged, but don't repent, don't regret for that. If it is happened to you, then listen to this speech very carefully. It will be so salutary and beneficial to all of you. Friends, home is the first school of a child, so the atmosphere of home should be peaceful and congenial for the all-round development of the child's mind. If the atmosphere is not salutary and congenial, the child is born and brought up in a negative surrounding, so it will be so difficult for him to cope with the challenges all around him, to face the educated and decent people. He will not be able to behave properly with others. So these things will be happen to him. He is not responsible for this. Sometimes we suffer from inferiority complex due to some reasons. Sometimes we are not satisfied with whatever things we have, God has given to us. We want more and more. We want to excel others. We want to get more and more things in our life. We are totally dissatisfied with our possessions. We want to increase our possessions. So a lot of reasons are there, but the most important reason is your family background and your surrounding and atmosphere. All these are responsible for this particular problem. So don't regret for that. If you are a poor victim of this problem, just try to rectify this problem slowly, and it will be so easy to get rid of this particular problem with the help of education. Because if you are educated enough, you will be able to understand everything. Then try to abolish all those negativities from your inner soul, which has been deeply infused into your mind, and try to give the best version of yourself, and it will be really so beneficial and so helpful to you, and everything will be all right. This is my hope. And do it regularly, practice it regularly. Your problem will be solved. It will be resolved very soon. So take proper care of your health, and be positive and have faith in yourself, and do all the essential and needful things to get rid of this problem. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Thanks a lot. and share it more and more to have such type of videos. Thanks a lot.